7 people are being treated for shock.A. 300 meters area around the vegetable oil refinery was secured and put on lockdown after the blast.City mayor, Nicolas Langlois, was on site at the end of the morning, and said, "A security perimeter has been set up and local residents were asked not to leave their homes to take no risks." Initial reports were that 1 had died and 1 was missing, but sadly the death toll rose to 2 people in the afternoon. Related articles: Barnes Green level crossing tragedy kills 2 as cars hit by train braking, huge fire in central London, smoke seen for miles. The entire 6-story building was engulfed in flames, with photos from the scene show plumes of thick black smoke billowing into the sky. Emergency services rushed to the scene, including an air ambulance and 40 firefighters. The cause of the explosion is unknown, but it happened during a maintenance operation on a tank. The blast occurred at around 9 a.m. local time, 10 a.m. GMT. Related articles: Stormont crisis, talks break up. Arlene Foster warns no deal yet. Munich Security Conference. Germany refuses to spend 2% on NATO. Lorry tips over outside Tesco onto 2 cars.